is ripping.
My tummy hurts.
Pretty good, Brad Matt.
Alright guys, what's going on? Ed here with Off the Chart Trading. Wednesday here, another FOMC minutes has gone, and that was fun. Let me pull up a shorter time frame. So 5 minute looks more clean, but we did have a nice little rally after the Fed's release minute. Nothing really changed, which probably why we rallied. Let me pull up a 1 minute kind of to show you the craziness of the 1 minute. Whenever it decides to pull up. It won't even let me stay at the 2 o'clock. What are you doing? Here it is. All right. So we popped up, flushed down, and then we just grinded higher into the close. And Q was nice and green for the day, but down 20. So not a bad day after it being down over 200 points. But here we are. We we got this move down. We went to the 21, came down 21. Kind of thought we would end up pretty much going down here, but with the little M formation. But we held. We had a nice little doji here, reversal. We got another doji reversal. So I don't know if now tomorrow we puke. Usually the day after the Feds is the actual move. So keep an eye on that. I've seen two things happen when you get a doji. Is another big day higher, where it does that. I've never seen it where these are called evening and morning stars, and you get a flush down, you get a doji, and then you get to go up. And then I've never seen it where the next day it just gives another doji, and if we go down no more, that would be something I've never seen before. So keep an eye on that. I would still like us to somewhat get a push a little higher here to get everyone in long, and then have them take out these lows from January. All right, and then on ES, ES did up, finish 3 points on the day. Nothing crazy, it's kind of the same similar pattern. IWM is actually the strongest here. Now we got two closes above the 21. We got a daily squeeze here, although we do have a ready aim to the downside. Momentum shifting a little lower. But keep an eye on that as well. See what that does. I am looking to short IWM on some strength, but haven't really seen exactly. I would prefer to short up here or short up here. Shorting at the mean works too, but I don't know. It's a weird market right now to do anything. We've just kind of been sideways the last couple of days. And then the VIX. We spiked up all the way to 32, and then we puked right back down. So we hit -1 ATR and bounced really back pretty much to +2 ATR. Now we're back at the 21. Momentum is still going higher though, so keep an eye on that. All right, that's the VIX. Put call ratio is still high. 10-day average is at 0.79. Although we're just chopping sideways, but the 10-day average that I like to show, let me get that up here. Oh, I don't have that up right now, but the 10-day average is at 0.79, which is extremely high. It wouldn't be extremely high for markets prior to 2020, but it is high for our current markets. So keep an eye on that. Bitcoin back over 44. I think it's still above the 21. Yep, still above the 21, holding its own. And then Gold, 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 gold. We got the monthly momentum shift, but we still have 14 or 12 days left of February. But overall, looks great. Nice buy here at the 21 on the monthly in December. That would have been a nice month to buy it. But we got that. So that's a check. That's a check. Momentum 2-0 check. All that's left now is break all-time highs in the next couple of months. So this is a monthly squeeze. So this is going to take months. You know, it could do this and then break out. So you got to give yourself, 6 to 12 months, maybe longer, for that play to work out. All right. And then Nvidia had earnings here. I don't know if they reported yet. It doesn't look like it. I think they reported on 420, so we'll probably miss that. And Nvidia had earnings. And what was the other one? DoorDash. Looks like DoorDash crushed earnings. They're up 112 here. Let me switch this to show extended. I knew it. Told the group that they're going to do really well. We hit 84, bounced all the way to 115. We closed at 90.49, so nice move there. All right, what ended up green for the day? Amazon up 31. Still got that high compression squeeze on the monthly. Daily's hanging out above the 21. Nothing crazy. ABBV, man, what a great setup here. If it wasn't for earnings, you got the squeeze here. You got the beautiful setup. But if it wasn't for earnings, that would have been a nice long there. Same thing with AA. I don't know why I didn't take this one. It had earnings here, yeah, but we came down, we held the 21, kind of went up. I mean, you had so many opportunities here to go long, and then there's your run. Nice squeeze firing. Plays like that are perfect when they work out. Anthem up. Nice daily squeeze here as well. You got the ready buy momentum shifting higher. I think all healthcare pretty did good today. What's Bowen been up to? Nothing crazy. I was looking at CME here. You had to move up. You got the squeeze, fired long into 3 ATR, pulled back. You had earnings. And look at all these squeezes intraday. Mixed bag. So kind of hesitant to go long on that. Disney had nice earnings. Nice move in Google. Fill the gap, and now it's just trading sideways. A lot of just sideways action. Here's IWM. I have an order to buy it at a price that I want. Lucid here trying to form a base. You can kind of see that. Just trading sideways ever since this puke here. So, see how that does. Yeah, what else we got? We went over Bitcoin and news that Moderna CEO was selling all his shares, but that's what people do. CEOs sell shares. So, trading sideways still. We got earnings coming up. Nothing crazy there. Nvidia still has not reported. They're only up $2 after hours. And then QCOM. There was a alert that there was 120 million, I think they said. 120 million buy shares of QCOM. 170 million, sorry. I think it was 100, no. 700,000 shares. 120 million, sorry. 120 million worth of QCOM shares before the close. So it'll be interesting what Nvidia does because they trade. QCOM will move up based on Nvidia's move. Um, and Nvidia moving a few dollars here. Yeah, a little bit, nothing crazy. I don't know if they reported yet. But yeah, that's we got through Fred. Nothing too crazy. Markets rallied. I'm looking for that trend to finish into the week. Um, SPX max pain is at 4,500, and we did a butterfly to that. We're at 44.75. Um, so I just need SPX to move 25 points into Friday, and that would be a nice flip on that butterfly. Low cost, high reward on that. Um, so that would be nice if we can get a little follow through. If Nvidia can help us out, not that Nvidia can move markets, but any good earnings is good for the markets itself. So Fed didn't say much, wasn't hawkish, wasn't dovish, nothing. I guess some people said they were dovish because they weren't hawkish. So markets will do whatever it wants to do. So keep an eye on overnight session, see how we do. I'm looking for a little more strength that we can short, but I mean that strength could keep going, but there's nothing really out there to keep us going. You got Russia trying to invade Ukraine. You got rate hikes coming in. But a lot of the rate hikes, I think, had a lot of this selling was rate hikes being priced in. And once the actual rate hikes happen, then the markets rally because it's already priced in, kind of like earnings. So that's what I got for today. I will see you guys in the room for the members and offthetcharttrading.com if you guys want to hit us up and join. You guys have a good one. I'll see you guys next week. Peace.